Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to dig into a company's financial statements right from your chart while using TradingView, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you exactly how to pull up those essential financial details from earnings to revenue and more without ever leaving your chart. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to instantly access and interpret a company's financials, making it so much easier to inform your trading or investing decisions. Let's dive in. Alright, so first things first, let's get ourselves over to the Tesla chart. If you're already on TradingView, just type TSLA into the search bar at the top and select Tesla from the list. We're using Tesla as our example today, but you can use these same steps for any public company you're interested in. With the chart open, let's get started. Now here's what you'll want to do next. Right-click anywhere on that chart. A menu will pop up, and from here you're going to choose Settings. This is where you can customize how your chart looks and what important details you want to see. It's a bit like setting up your workspace, so it shows you only the information that matters most. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Events tab. Give that a click. The Events section lets you decide which important happenings like splits, dividends, and earnings will actually show up on your chart as little icons. For today, make sure to check the box next to Earnings. This tells TradingView to highlight when a company reports its quarterly results, which is crucial for understanding how a business is performing over time. Once you check the Earnings box, close the Settings menu, and you'll notice a new icon down at the bottom of your chart. It's a small green E. This E stands for Earnings, and it marks the exact date when Tesla reported its financial results. Hover your mouse over that icon, and you'll instantly see a quick summary pop up. This is super useful if you want a snapshot of the latest earnings without having to dig through financial reports manually. But maybe you want even more details, like full financial statements or other performance indicators. No problem. When you hover over the earnings icon, you'll see an option that says More TSLA Financials. Go ahead and click that link. TradingView will open up a detailed window right inside your browser, showing you all sorts of useful information. Here, what you'll find: there's an Overview tab if you want a general snapshot of the company, Statement tabs for diving into in-depth financial reports, Statistics for quick ratios and metrics, Dividends to see if and when Tesla's paid out to shareholders, and Earnings and Revenue sections for tracking growth over time. Exploring these tabs gives you a comprehensive picture of how Tesla or any company you're analyzing is really doing under the hood. And that's really all there is to it. You've just unlocked a super convenient way to view detailed financials right from your TradingView chart. Take your time exploring these different sections. It might feel a bit overwhelming at first, but you'll quickly get the hang of it. And remember, this same process works for almost any stock you're trading on TradingView. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and feel free to drop a comment below with any questions or challenges you ran into. I'm always happy to help. And if you want more tutorials like this to up your trading game, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.